1961 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 represented a bold step forward in design, engineering, and performance, offering drivers an impressive blend of style, power, and comfort. As a staple in Oldsmobile's lineup, the Dynamic 88 was known for its affordability while still delivering a premium driving experience. Beneath the hood, the 1961 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 featured a powerful 6.5-liter, 394 cubic inch rocket V8 engine, delivering 250 horsepower and 400 pounds-ft of torque. This power plant provided strong acceleration and smooth highway cruising, making it a favorite among those who valued performance. Paired with a 3-speed manual transmission as standard, drivers could also opt for Oldsmobile's Hydramatic automatic transmission for effortless shifting and enhanced comfort. The suspension system, designed with ride quality in mind, absorbed road imperfections with ease, making long-distance travel a pleasure. Rear-wheel drive ensured balanced handling, while power steering and power brakes were available as optional features, further improving the driving experience. The exterior styling of the 1961 model showcased a fresh, streamlined look with crisp body lines, sculpted side panels, and a distinctive front grille. Dual headlights and a sweeping body profile emphasized the car's dynamic appearance, while the tailfin-inspired rear fenders added a touch of flair, reminiscent of the late 1950s. Chrome accents enhanced the elegant look, ensuring that the Dynamic 88 maintained its presence as a stylish and respectable full-size sedan. Inside, the Dynamic 88 provided a spacious and refined cabin, designed for comfort and convenience. The wide bench seats, available in premium cloth or vinyl upholstery, ensured ample room for both front and rear passengers. A stylish two-tone dashboard with chrome accents and clear instrumentation gave the driver easy access to all controls. The large steering wheel, designed with a classic horn ring, added to the vintage charm of the interior. Features such as an AM radio heater and optional air conditioning showcased Oldsmobile's commitment to passenger comfort. The design focused on a functional yet elegant layout, providing a blend of practicality and luxury that appealed to a broad range of buyers. Priced at around $2,900 when new, the 1961 Dynamic 88 provided an exceptional value for those seeking a full-size American sedan with style and power. Today, well-preserved examples remain, highly sought after by collectors who appreciate its timeless design and robust engineering. With its blend of performance, comfort, and iconic styling, the Dynamic 88 continues to hold its place as a beloved classic in automotive history. To explore more legendary cars, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Join the community of passionate enthusiasts who appreciate classic automobiles.